Okay, in today's class we are going to solve all the remaining questions of paper 9709 1 May Zone 2023. I will try to complete all the remaining questions because I get message for some of the student like you have to complete the remaining questions. Actually, due to mic issue I was unable to complete that questions. So I bought a mic now and I'm able to write and speak clearly now. So I decided to make a video to complete the remaining questions. Alright. Question number 10 is the equation of a circle is x minus a whole square plus x minus 3 whole square is equals to 20. The line having an equation y is equals to half of x plus 6 is tangent to the circle at the point P. Show that the possible values of a is 4 and find the other possible value for this question. You know that this is a equation of a circle that is given to you in this question. So first of all you have to write down the equation of a circle, that is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square, which is equals to some constant, that is c. Plug in the relevant values over here. So x minus a whole square plus, put the value of y that is given to you in this equation, this one, that is half of x plus 3 whole square, which is equals to constant, that is equals to 20. You can see according to this question. Now this x minus a whole square can be opened by using a formula a minus b whole square, and it can be written as x square plus a square minus 2ax, right, plus this one can be opened again by using the same formula a plus b whole square, and it can be written over here x square by 4, because this is half of x, sorry, here is x, actually it's a writing mistake, this is x by 2 actually. So it will be x square by 4 plus 9 plus 3x, which is equals to 20. Now you have to take the terms common that are between both and do simplification. So it would be 5x square by 4 if I combine x square with x square by 4, taking the LCM and finding the solution. Plus x can be taken as common from this one and this one, and it can be written as 3 minus 2a plus, make a group of remaining terms, a square plus 9 minus 20, which is also equals to 20. So this is the equation. Now it's given to me that one of the value of this a is 4. I have to show that and I have to find the other value. So I can take 5x square plus 4x. If I took the LCM, times by 3 minus 2a plus 4 times a square minus 11, which is equals to 0. I did nothing, just only take the LCM 4 and times by 4 on the other side, that would be 4 times 0 will also be 0 again, right? So as a whole I can see for this question, this equation that is for example marked as equation number 1, my a is coming as 5, my b is coming as 4 times by 3 minus 2a, and my c seems to be 4 times a square minus 11, that is a, b and c. Definitely I have to find my discriminant. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac, which is equals to 0. So by using this property I can see, put down the b square over here, that gives me 16, 3 minus 2a whole square minus 4 times a, and c is 4 times a square minus 11, which is equals to 0. Doing the simplification, nothing else, your answer would be 3 minus 2a whole square minus 5 times a square minus 11, which is equals to 0. Open this thing by using the formula a minus b whole square. That gives you 9 plus 4a square minus 12a minus 5a square plus 55, which is equals to 0. Make a group of similar terms together, and that gives you minus a square minus 12a plus 64, which is equals to 0. Now you can see this is quadratic equation. I can solve this equation by any method, up to 3 methods: quadratic formula, making a square, completing square, or making a factor. I'm easy to make a factor. So making a factor gives me, if I took minus common from inside, that gives me minus, plus, and minus. And after that, minus times minus on each other, this minus and this minus cancel. And as a whole, I can say my equation will be reversible into a square plus 12a minus 64 is equals to 0. I just took minus common and solved this expression, nothing else, for simplification, for easy steps. So making a factor gives me a square plus 16a minus 4a minus 64, which is equals to 0. This one pair and this is second pair. I can take common a from the first pair. That gives me a plus 16 inside, minus 4 can be taken as common from the second pair, that is this one, and inside that would be a plus 16, which is equals to 0. Now I can solve this one as, like here, a plus 16 is equals to 0 and a minus 4 is equals to 0. Solving this one gives me a is equals to minus 16, and solving this one gives me a is equals to 4. So it is proved that one of the value of a is 4 and the other value for this a is minus 16 that I have to find. So that's all about question number A.